So you guys may be Spy Ninja fans, actually Spy Ninja fan. It's the there's no for my Spy Ninja collection. So this is the Spy Ninja Gizmo lie detector that has different bits on it. The nail button, and then turn it on by clicking that. I'm not going to show you what makes it, but it looks more like and then that's off. And I have the ninja and using them, so it makes me listen loud.
No. Not my secret message spy pen. Not my Spy Ninja noise enhancer. PSP-76 and 44 will watch you.
All the gadgets I just have 7. I got these free with the no promotion picture. Got the decoder ring.
Yeah, these things are awesome. We can't let them have them. Maybe folks will know how to open all the safes because this is his safe.
In the pen.
I want to see what that looks like before it melted. If we go approach Foop right now, he hates the Spy Ninjas. How do we get him to like us?
Foop was wearing an alien costume.
This is where you put the secret messages in.
We say, hey, Foop, want to play Toy Story with us? He likes us so much. Now he just gives us the code to the safe.
Yeah, that's really good. He's not very happy with the leader right now. Doesn't see that.
Put it on the shirt. This bit here. Then it's a pen. Obviously. Then invisible ink. Then there's a Spy Ninja's logo. Don't know if you can see it, it's right there. Then black light, obviously. And for the newest bits in my collection, I just got the Spy Ninja's mission kit. So that's the blue one, the safe house heist first edition. For my purposes in it.
Not even a Toy Story though.
Sure it was. It was in the math and they never played with it. What do you like to do? He is always so apt to draft.
I appreciate the art, but we're on a mission.
Spy Ninja
Trying to think outside the box.
Your insides of a...
Okay, Spy Ninja, get this video big thumbs up right now. Do you like my content?
Well, B, I really like your costume. I like it so much that you know what I would do? I would turn my phone up this way and look underneath the video, and if that subscribe button is red,
then I can see it right here.
I'd click it, make it turn gray, because that's the way to be a Spy Ninja and a fan of you. All right, has everybody got their gadgets with them?
Normal, and then I can turn on laser.
Tries to take them. We gotta be careful, but it's just food.
And we might need
So look, this is it normally. This is it with the scope in front of it. Looks like a little laser, like a busy color laser. Boom, 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 boom. And then
He's wearing the alien costume.
another decoder ring. I have two. I used to have 3. The white light.
Try to steal my noise enhancer. You don't like us snooping on your conversations. Guess not.
So I can make it blue.
To infinity and beyond.
And then put them.
I got some beef with you.
I'm gonna mash your potato.
Hey! Oh, my nose! I got a stun star with your name on it, man.
You slapped that thing right out of my hand.
That's right.
I'm gonna get you.
So I'm good.
And then
Oh, man.
I'll make this one, see what this one looks like.
You're not. Here's a stun star. Yeah. Oh, what do you got there? I got a Ninja gadget as well.
I don't really make clothes, that's like how it laser. Give it as the Spy Ninja glasses.
We got a fancy here, huh? All right, well, check this out.
Watch the Toy Story 1. This video is sick. I love it. Put these all back in the box.
You don't like that
Buzzing. Get knife. Anyway, that's all for this video. Maybe I'll do right after this, and it's new figurines I've got. Bye guys.